Hi there, my name's Jenny. I'm a garden facilitator. Hachka for joining us in this program, Garden in a Box. Together we'll be partnering with Farm to School BC and Nanaimo Foodshare. Farm to School BC brings healthy, local, and sustainable food into schools and provides students with hands-on learning opportunities that develop food literacy. Nanaimo Foodshare is a not-for-profit education and resource center. We offer many programs that build healthy, sustainable, and local food systems through urban food growing, preparation, and skill building. One of our latest projects is Garden in a Box program. This is especially good for families and classes that don't have growing space. This program is based in the science curriculum and will progress through the Curricular Competencies in grades 3 to 5. It is available to local educators and incorporates a DIY Garden in a Box kit, which includes growing bins, soil, watering tools, and seeds for your class to use from April to June. Connection to a Foodshare facilitator to support you in growing know-how, class activity application, and general problem solving. Dedicated 2 hours per week. Theme details including lesson activities, extensions, and learning resources by your Foodshare facilitator. Your mentoring Foodshare facilitator is available to connect virtually with your class. The series of classroom activities falls under 4 themes. Each theme is explored through guided questions and activities. In addition to videos created by the Foodshare facilitators to explain and enrich the content in the themes, the Foodshare facilitator will also be available for live virtual sessions in the classroom. Garden in a Box is a pilot project. We welcome you to share your feedback on the themes as you work through the program. In the first theme of the Garden in a Box program, you will put together your garden in a box. You will brainstorm and ask curious questions about how to create a group science experiment with the Garden in a Box supplies. You will guess and talk about how plants might respond to different amounts of light, water, wind, and air. Together with your group, you will get ready to record how your experiments work and any changes you may have not even thought about. In Theme 2, you will be experimenting with your Garden in a Box, and you will be thinking like a plant scientist. You will plant vegetable seeds and take care of them to encourage them to grow. Watch to see the changes of how different conditions affect how they grow. You will practice recording these changes, and that's what makes you a plant scientist. Theme 3 is about survival and the cycle of living things. You will explore key environmental factors that affect plant growth by exploring activities about plant life cycles, how seeds grow into plants, how they ask for help to create seeds, and how those seeds need the nutrients from the old plants to survive. Soil types. What is soil made of, and do vegetables like different kinds of soils? And compost. Is something that can be so smelly actually useful to grow our food? In Theme 4, you will be sharing the knowledge of what you learned and celebrating the harvest. As a plant scientist, you will analyze the data that you have collected and share your experiment results with the class. By growing vegetables together as a class, you will experience how much energy and time it takes to grow food. In the last theme, you will celebrate your hard work and dedication with a celebratory salad feast from your vegetable bounty. Thank you so much for joining this program.